Well, look, it's working. I've got my Kindle books here locally on my computer. Each one has all of the quotes and all of the notes that I've taken in the Kindle app. And I have a chatbot running, and it's using an AI that's running on my local computer with no internet required and all for free. Let's see if I can get this answer. Maybe B. Yay. I reckon that's A. Nice. Give me the results in a table. Fantastic. Hey there. I am wanting to show you something. It is a follow-up from my last video where I showed you how to use AI in the cloud to talk to your your Kindle books, your highlights and your notes. And in this one, I want to show you how to do it for free completely and doing it locally on your computer. So that way it's nice and private and yeah. So you'll need a Kindle, Amazon account, obviously, with some books and some highlights and notes. You'll also need an Unearthed account. This is an application that I made, which is open source. You'll need Obsidian. You will need this plugin for Obsidian, and you'll need LM Studio. LM Studio is the AI. This plugin is the thing that talks to the AI and sends it to Obsidian. Obsidian is the thing that is letting you browse your files on your computer nicely. Unearthed is the thing that is getting all of the Kindle highlights and everything and sending it to your computer, sending it to Obsidian. And Amazon is the one making all the money. Here is how it works. You'll have a browser, you'll have Kindle logged in, you'll have Unearthed logged in, you'll have a browser extension, which is also made by me, and it is open source as well. Kindle will send to the browser extension sends to Unearthed. Unearthed will send to Obsidian. Every time you open Obsidian, it gets a new sync. This is running on your computer. And then LM Studio is also running on your computer, and it's the AI. Obsidian will chat to it on your computer, and which means there's no AI provider needed. So let me show you how to get this set up. Join for free. Put in your email address and password. You have to confirm it in your email. Once you're logged in, you've got no books yet, so you need to install the Chrome or Firefox extension. I've got that already, so I'll click this up here. Get Kindle Books button. It's got these books. You can do whatever you want here. Continue. Yep, now we can view it on Unearthed. Go to books. And here they are. It's got all of the quotes and all of the books. And it should get the notes too. So there's a note. Now let's get this into Obsidian. Here's a blank vault. Go down here and get the plugin, community plugins, browse, Unearthed. There we go, install. Enable. Options. Go to Unearthed, settings, get your API keys. So, this looks a little bit different on the free version, but it's the settings are still in the same spot. Create a new key. Doesn't matter what you call it. Copy it. Put it into the key. And that's all you really need here. You can customize the way the books come in and how they look and everything as well. So get out of that. Let's press this new button here. Oh, and here they are. So I've got all of my books here and notes and quotes, and they're all in Obsidian. Now that we've got the books, we can start running the AI. So let's download LM Studio, which is linked in the description. Once you've downloaded it, switch over to Power User or Developer so that the extra settings show up. Go to Discover, and this is where you choose which AI model that you want to run. Some will be bigger than others, some are better than others, and you just need to try the one that works for you and your computer. I've tried DeepSeek, and I've also got Qwen 2.5. So when you select one, you just press the download button at the bottom here. And so I've already downloaded this one. It'll take a while because it's pretty big. And to test it out, just select the model at the top. So go to chat, over here. Select the model and select the model. Context is important because this is how much you can feed into the AI before it just doesn't work. So depending on how many quotes and notes you've got, you're going to have to up this. But when you do that, you need to keep in mind that it's going to be more load on your computer. So I'm going to set it to, I don't know, there. So that's loaded. Let's make a new chat. Hello. Give me some HTML code for a simple table. Right, that's pretty good. Okay. Yeah, you can stop. And you can eject it up here if you don't want to use it anymore. So that's running on our local computers, and there's no need for the internet or anything. So let's get this working with Obsidian. So we need to go to this little developer tab, which is only going to show up, like I say, if you've got Power User or Developer. So press this, Developer. I already had it running, so let's clear all this. So this is what it should look like for you. Select a model. And once again, choose your whatever you want for your context. It's going to load it in. And we can settings, enable cores, and start. So this is it running down here, the log. So you can watch that and see what happens. But now we need to get it into Obsidian. We need to hook up Obsidian to it. So go to settings, community, plugins, browse. And we're going to use Copilot. Copilot for Obsidian by Logan. Good on you, Logan. Enable. Options. So you can also hook this plugin up to an AI provider in the cloud, where you just you can use any of these and you put in your API key. So you can still use it with the internet if you want, but I'll show you how to do a custom model, which means you need to go to model, add a custom model. Now the model name is this one. So copy that. Actually, sorry, I need to select LM Studio. Right, so we've got LM Studio, you got the model. Both of these can be blank, and you enable cores. And let's verify that it's working. We look up the top here, and it's fine. So add model. Now if we go back to basic, we can select the default, which is, I want that to be the Qwen model that I got. And under advanced, I want to put in here a prompt that every time it uses the AI, it will use this prompt in the background. So it's kind of like you telling the AI what it is. So I'm going to try this one. And let's go to out. Now I think to get it the default to work, I need to restart Obsidian. So here we are restarted. Let's go to this little button here, which is the chat. And down the bottom, you'll see that it's loaded in our custom model. We can just test it. Wow, that's interesting. Do you speak English? All right, that's bizarre. I'm not sure why it did that, but you could probably change that in the system prompt, maybe. So anyway, let's put in the context. So you put these square brackets context for that file. I'm not sure if it gets it automatically if I've got the file open. It probably does. Now I'm going to put in my prompt here. And there we go. I'll try answer it. Maybe B. So anyway, let's see if a table works. Give me the results in a table. Okay, so it's not formatted too well, but yeah, it works. So that's how you do it. Now this is all running on your computer and there's no need for the internet. Let's see if it works with a bigger book. This one has more quotes. We'll go with a new chat. And I want to see if it works, if it gets the context automatically. So we'll try this again. Right, so it didn't get the context. We'll go again. So that worked, and that one has something like 130 odd quotes and notes. So that's how you can do this for free. Chat with AI on your computer with your Kindle highlights. And yeah, I hope this helps you get more out of what you're reading. All right, bye.